Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm sharing with you guys how to prepare walnut cream easily at home. So walnut is an ingredient which is extremely beneficial for your skin. It helps in skin lightening, brightening and skin tightening. It has amazing anti-aging properties into it which makes it best for your skin. It helps in locking in the moisture and the nutrients and makes your skin really plump, glowing and remove all the toxins and damaged skin cells from your skin and will make it really bright, glowing, hydrated and supremely glowing. So firstly, let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this walnut cream. So the first ingredient which we need is obviously walnuts. Next up we are going to need glycerin. After that we are going to need olive oil. And if you don't have olive oil, then you can also use the vitamin E capsules or vitamin E oil. Next up we are going to need honey. And the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So to prepare this cream, we firstly have to crack the walnut and remove the nut from it. Just need to separate the walnut shell and the nut, and that's what I'm doing here. And for this cream I'm using 4 walnuts, but if you're making a bigger batch of this cream, then you have to use more walnuts, like more than 4 walnuts. And now we'll make a smooth paste out of this walnuts. So I'm just putting all the walnuts into this grinding or a mixing jar, and then I'm adding 4 to 5 teaspoons of normal water into it. And if you don't want to use the normal water, then you can also use the rose water and just grind it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And now with the help of a strainer, we'll strain this mixture just to remove all the grains and the lumps from this mixture, and to get a really smooth and a fine paste of walnut. And after straining all this paste, your homemade walnut fine paste is ready, and it will look something like this. And we'll use this paste to make the walnut cream out of it. So now let's prepare this walnut cream. And to prepare this cream, we firstly have to take 2 teaspoons of that fine walnut paste into a clean bowl. Next up, we'll add 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. After that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Then I'm adding few drops of olive oil into it, like just 2 or 3 drops of it. And after adding the olive oil, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other nicely. And after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm going to mix all these ingredients really nicely once again, just to make a really nice, smooth and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade walnut cream is ready, and it will look something like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much creamy, smooth and lump free like I'm showing you in the video. The easiest way to store this cream is to store it in any airtight container. I'm using this small airtight glass jar container to store this cream, and you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. This cream is highly effective in skin brightening, lightening and skin tightening. It has amazing anti-aging properties into it, and it also helps in reversing all signs of aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin, and gives you really bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and a crystal clear skin. So the easiest way to use this cream is to just take a little amount of this cream onto your fingertips and then just massage your skin with it in a gentle upward and circular motion for about few seconds, and just gently massage it into your skin until your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for the best result, you should use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed at night. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.